On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane. Ain't about the trade, have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. How we all doing? Good to see everybody in the chat. What's going on, Otter gang? What an eventful day yesterday. Up only promotion. The Discord is on fire. You guys are incredible. An amazing group of utterly degenerate, happy people, man. Hopefully you all having a wonderful morning. The sun is shining. Let's get into it, baby. What's going on, everybody? Good to see you all here. Thank you for being here. I'm glad the intro worked this. I had to go and find that intro video. Scour the earth. Oh, my God. Jesse Galluck with 4 comments to start the day. Like number 2 is mine. Why wasn't it number 1? I'm kidding, Jesse. Good to see you, bro. How's it going? Looks like Bitcoin is rolling over. Coming into our level of resistance. We'll see if Bitcoin does want to continue to roll over. Okay. We got like this, do they call this? Is this really like a complex head and shoulders? When you get like double shoulders, you know, this is like football shoulders or something, man. There's a word for it. I do not trade it. Is it complex? Did they just add the word complex to it? It's a complex one because it has deformed. We'll call it a deformed head and shoulders. What's going on, everybody? Good to see you all here. Is the stream laggy? How's the sound? Is the sound okay here? I think the sound's all right. I'm check. Sound okay? Let me know in the chat. Check. Thank you, everybody, for being here. How's the sound? Is the sound all right? Can we hear? All good? Good morning. Good to see you guys. Thank you for being here. Okay, sounds good. I trust Nick. Max Wick, what's going on, Massey? Defiant, good morning. Otter gang. No trades yesterday. My God. I mean, the long was there, but we discussed it in the Discord, really, how it wasn't. It just got away from us, really. There was opportunity to re-enter, which I did, and I managed to take like a full $300 trade. I had a $500 day yesterday. And you know what? That's better than any Monday in the past 3 weeks. So we're on the up and up on Mondays, baby. Let's go. You see, this is why You journal, you document, you review, because when you do that, you can see, oh, I'm absolutely slaughtering Tuesdays and Fridays, but Mondays, I'm getting spanked. So I took the money and ran. Now that doesn't mean that I'm guaranteed a positive Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday, whatever day, but it means that I'm making adjustments, right? Fine tuning this money making machine that we call trading. We had a nice push up into our resistance, okay? Very, very bad price action, okay? What's very bad? Look at this, okay? We chop, and like, my God, this is like 10 minutes, 20 minutes of bullshit. Then we all of a sudden get a pump. Now we're just dumping. So, my friends, I don't make the rules. All I know is that, it seems to me is that the market's a little bit manipulated lately. I don't know. What do you guys think? Put a 1 in the chat if you think the market has been a little bit manipulated lately. Like, I think it's being suppressed. I think they're trying to keep price down for now so that, all their buddies can get in. That's just my thinking. What's going on? Donato Cabrera, Joe Song, Quick Smoker, Jeffrey Stone Cipher. My man, what's going on, guys? Good to see you here. Shy Owl, good morning to you. Donato Cabrera, ex-enemy Vinay Kumar, good morning to you. Hanseku, Alexandra G, the beautiful mod queen, good to see you as well. Jacob D, Jason, Paul Caruso, Synthetic, Crypto Rob, Nick, Call Me Dave, Anonymous, John Foster, Crypto, and Massey. What's going on, guys? Good to see you all here. Thank you for being here, and thank you for the lovely good mornings. What's going on, Andrew Cameron? My man, Crack for Real, Marcus, J Violet, Crypto Sammy. Good morning, gangstas. What's going on, man? Little rollover here. Failed to make a higher high. That's all I got from this. Okay, so we didn't get out of here. We are in a downtrend since the mitigation of this low here. Okay, so we're looking for shorts again. Oh man, we're in a parabolic uptrend, but we're looking for shorts in the short term. You see? Imagine you said that to your friend. You went up to your friend who doesn't know trading and go, we're in a parabolic uptrend at the top of the range, preparing for shorts on the short-term time frames. What would they say to you? They'd be like you whack job, man. Albert, Rajak, Guk, what's going on, bro? Good to see you. Shri Ran, Gains for Life, R Pink, good morning to you. French Toaster, Mike Raleigh, DDT, what's going on, bro? Good to see you, man. Facts Lover, Zeno with the pink hand, good morning to you. Good to see you. Hello. Ob, good morning to you. Tamale, Nick, what's going on, bro? Good to see you. How you doing, Nick? How are things? Have you been trading Link lately? Nick Musgrave, he likes to slap Link around like it owes him money. Frost Dog Billionaire, you. Let's go. Good evening, Australia, mate. Good to see you, mate. Oh man, God bless Australia. Sometimes especially in February in Canada, you do miss Australia. I tell you that much. Like Australia was hot, but beautiful. They got spiders though that are like golden guns. They got spiders that'll one shot you. Doesn't matter what you think, what you do. They got golden gun spiders. The big ones are not the scary ones. It's those redbacks, man. Those redbacks, you gotta watch out, man. Maba, good morning. Yukon, Al Jr., J Violet, DDT. My answer is other. The grass and ass got me spending all my gains, so I'm making money but not keeping it. If you know, you know. Jeez. Facts Lover, good morning. French Toaster, good to see you. Dex, good morning to you. Nick Fata, what's going on, Fata? Good to see you. Trent Brock, thank you everybody who signed up for the for the deal. The deal is still on, but thank you. So many people signed up yesterday to hang out for the summer sale. Try it out. Give the Discord a whirl. Congratulations for joining the gang. I know it's not an easy decision to make, but we try to make it as easy as possible because, we kick ass, take names, and make money together. For all the Discord members, you do get your live stream from CVO today. Whew. Fire. Make sure you ask them lots of questions. Complex drunken head and shoulders because it's slanted. Okay. I'm going to put that one in the trade setups. Diego Voss, good morning. Gains for Life. Andrew Cameron, Sam Wise, Frost Dog, my man Tamale, Nick. Good to see you, Joe Song. One's in the chat. There we go. Crypto King, my man. Top of the morning, bro. Good to see you. How's it going? Dario Real. Hustle Minds, good morning. Oh, what happened here? Jeez. My man, Crypto King with the 50. With the 50, man. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much. Patrick Swades, greetings from London. Love. My mom just got back from London. She was in London. Rob S, Dream Big, F-Bomb. Good morning to you guys. Anonymous, Nick, Ronald Edwards, Paul P. Haznat. Good morning to you. Pietro, D-Rock, and the Dusty. The Dusty's in here too. Philip C. Robert. Good morning. And Crypto King. I guess we're going to have to call out some lurkers this morning. We'll jump into lurkers after we do some top down here. So, looking at Bitcoin. Great push yesterday. Great push. What we can see is that Bitcoin has a little bit of manipulation, okay? So we get our tops overnight, then we come back for those tops. So we have definitely swept liquidity, okay? Double bottom yesterday, didn't get the SFP we wanted. However, we did get a retest of the VWAP. I did manage to take a quick scalp, which should have been, oh my God, I should have made $3,000. One of those trades. Where I got in and then I got out and I made a quick 300. And then I took a little scalp in here somewhere. So 500 for the day yesterday. But it was one of those trades. Oh my God, I should have made $5,000 million, right? Who cares? Made 500, on to the next one, okay? So now what are we looking at, right? We're range bound. We're at the top of the range right now, literally. If we zoom out, we go and pull our beautiful, juicy Fibonacci, our fixed range volume profile tool, and we take a look at this. We can see that we are definitely at the top of the range, okay? So hanging out at the value area high, do we want to continue and push up, or do we want to retest back into this volume node, okay? We do have our golden pocket area down below us here that we are interested in, which does align quite nicely with this shelf of volume, okay? So we're looking in here. Oops. Alt J, AlexOCrypto, okay? You can see that if we come down into here, we are looking for a potential bounce and continuation out, okay? Higher, low, and go. Okay. Caution. Let's not get too euphoric, because we do want to see an ABC here. If we're talking like Discord talking, what we generally have been talking about is that we would like to see sideways and a little bit down. I would like to see 1, 2, 3 here, and then we can talk. Okay. Then we can talk. I would like to come here. And do we get what we want all the time? No, we don't. Unfortunately, that's just not reality. However, we have not swept the highs here. So it does still tell me there is liquidity in here and that we could push and then go. Okay, there's still that very much possibility on the table. Now, what I am concerned about is that if we just push, okay, I really don't want to see a God candle until we come down a little bit. But who knows? It's Bitcoin, right? It's Bitcoin. So what we're trying to do right now is take high probability trade setups within this range, right? So we want to buy low and sell high. As stupid as that sounds, that's typically what we're doing, right? We have this beautiful uptrend from the bottom that we are looking to hold. Okay, and looking for that continuation. Can we continue? Yes, we can. However, would a retracement help us? I think the idea of the retracement is to put in more of a foundation to give us more of a reset on our oscillators, on everything, reset everything, sweep enough of the leveraged longs. There is a lot of leveraged longs in here. They need to be wrecked, in my opinion, before we go up. Okay, people don't like that, but I tend to not care. Okay, where is the liquidity? Are we really hunting this liquidity in here? Or are we really hunting this liquidity in here? Right? Where is it? Where are we looking for? What is everybody doing right now? They're building longs. So where is our best opportunity? If we are in a parabolic uptrend, our best opportunity is to get in long down below, to come and take these highs. Okay. Looking at our market cipher here, we can simply see very clearly that Bitcoin is going sideways. However, Bitcoin is pretty much ready to go. If it wanted to go now, I wouldn't be surprised. We got money flow to the upside. We got VWAP crossover. We got high, strong momentum waves. Okay, very, very nice looking. The 3-day, everybody's like, oh, red dot printing, 3-day. What I see on the 3-day is that the VWAP has reset. We are still green in the money. And stochastics has changed color. Now, if you are in our Discord, you can watch our market cipher video. I know for all the new members, they probably haven't watched the cheat sheet on the market cipher cheat sheet. Go over here. It's recent. Family live streams. Okay. Go over here to your market cipher cheat sheet video. Right here. You see all the money bags. Do you see the money bags? You can't miss it. Go and watch this video. You will learn some of the nasties, okay? Some of the beautiful nasties. Our Discord's on fire, anyways. But you will learn something about this little stochastic thing going on here, okay? That's as far as I'm going to go with that. Oh, there's more to come. Don't worry, there's more to come, man. We just keep dropping it. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Ask Lunar Beach's Crypto. Lunar Beach's Crypto's watched my cheat sheet. Ask him. He's in the chat. He said, on a personal note, he said he really enjoyed it. And he's been trading as longer than I have. Lunar Beaches has been in the markets longer than me. He is more handsome than me. He's going to hug my hobbit ass in Vegas, and I look forward to it. Okay? 12-hour. Now, the 12-hour on Bitcoin looks very different from the altcoins. We warned everybody last night that there was a trigger wave on the altcoins. Okay, you can see 12-hour Bitcoin, 12-hour Ethereum. Okay, look at the trigger wave. Ooh. Okay, so we warned everybody about the trigger wave. Look at the trigger wave. Look at the trigger wave. Look at the trigger wave on all the altcoins. This is typically very bullish if it plays. Okay. So the altcoins could get a little push, right? How do we know that? Because it looks the exact damn same as before. You look at this one right here, and you look at this one right here. What are they doing? You got momentum wave down, reset, pop. Momentum wave down, reset, pop. Okay? Pattern recognition is what it's all about. Going back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's chopping sideways right now. No trade. We'll see if we SFP. I'm watching it on my other screen. Okay, we got our liquidity zone down below here. We are currently rolling over. I'm looking for an SFP to get bought up back into the range, higher low continuation trade. Okay, that's what I'm looking for right now. If you're wondering what trade I am looking for, this is it, if we can get it. Okay, just so you're aware. So I'm not like, doing top-down analysis and you guys are all like, is this guy going to effing trade? That's what we're waiting for, okay? I'm on one this morning. I think I got up early with my son and my wife this morning because my son woke us up. So I got like 10 a.m. energy. Like I'm like, bang, I've hit a coffee. I'm in the second one. You guys are getting it. You guys are getting the goods, man. Spoiled today. So we go into our 8 hour. Now, 8 hours is something I always look for money flow. Money flow is really the king on the 8 hour recently. Okay, so 8 hour money flow looking good. However, getting a little bit toppy here, just a bit choppy weathers. Whenever you're in a range, you get choppy weather. Okay, you want to see movement. But right now we're in choppy weathers. The 4, the 3, the 2, the 1. Okay, we got the double top threat here. Okay, this can be painful. This can send us right down. Liquidity sweep. This is what we would want. We would definitely bring this on. Liquidity sweep and bounce and go. I'm 100% on board for this baby. Okay. However, as we reset on VWAP here and keep green money flow, this doesn't mean it has to happen. We can see curvature like this on money flow. We can see getting overextended on VWAP. If we had bought these VWAP retracement areas, let's say we press buy on each one of these areas, we would make money. Right? Money. Well, guess what? If we go down, we could have money again. Okay, so very easy to see when the VWAP is resetting and getting overextended in an uptrend that we can make money. Double top's a threat, though. Be aware. Okay, 3, the 2, and the 1. So the 2 and the 1 are the hopiums, right? The 2 right here, we have flattened out on VWAP. We're looking to push up. We are 1 hour trigger waving, if I'm wrong. Am I wrong? No, 1 hour trigger waving. However, it is curving to the downside. Okay? This can continue down. So we need this to turn back up. Turn it up for what, right? We need this to happen. Hasn't happened yet. So be aware that this still suggests that we could come down, okay, in the short term. So how are we prepared? The preparing comes with the idea that, hey, we are in a range. We want to buy low and sell high. Where's the liquidity? The liquidity locally is below us, right? This is where everybody got long yesterday, up only. So typically we would look for price to retrace into the liquidity and recover. Then coming for the liquidity above us. Okay, so we want to be aware that this is more likely. However, we are in an uptrend, so we want to be prepared for the sweep, but also prepared for the liquidity grab and bounce. And by doing that, we're a prepared trader. We have a couple of key areas, and we look to take advantage of price action as it moves. Okay, getting back to Crypto King with the K. Thank you, bro. I appreciate you, man. Thank you so much for the 50, man. It means a lot. You know, we like to see all the lurkers in the chat. So let's call out some lurkers. Julius Lurker, Mike Lee Lurker, Brandon Lurker, Cooks Lurker, Carlos Ramirez Lurker, Marshmallows Lurker, Alex Forsyth Lurker, BingX. I think I've seen you before, Lurker. Zubair Lurker, Froth Dog Billionaire. Good morning, man. Milan, good morning, man. Good to see you. Ramit Lurker. Real Boss Man, good morning. Bernard Lurker, let's DIY. You made a channel and it didn't work out, right? Lurker. Nathan Lurker, Greek Fata, gang. Good morning, bro. Good to see you. Origins Occultos Lurker. That dang dude again. Good morning. I like your name, even though you're a lurker. Travel the world lurker. Future whaler lurker. An unknown lurker has approached. Michael B, good morning. Ravine lurker. Here comes our SFP, everybody. Look at that pump and dump, man. Here comes our SFP. Pushing. Still pushing. Coming down. Still waiting here. I want to see it take this low, really. This would be the one I want to see it take. We have this one too. Still pushing here. Still waiting. I would like to see this get bought up. We'll see. Volume's coming in for this move, though. I do like that. Still waiting. Come on, push it down. A little bit more. Little bit more. Come on. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Even the lurkers. I do appreciate you. No trade yet. Still waiting. Still waiting here. No pushback immediately, which leads me to believe that we could get a retest of previous lows and continuation down. Still waiting here. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out with the gang. It's dangling the carrot, guys. Either it's trapping longs right now as we speak, or it's going to snap right back, and I'll be pissed. It's got to come lower, man. This thing has to come lower for me to consider it. It's got to do a job. This may be enough for it. Am I going to get caught again? Wave Cipher is going to be so disappointed in me. No follow through here. Good morning, Dingback. Good to see you, bro. Tony Montana. Tony, you have a doppelganger, bro. Pratik Lurker. Neil Swartz, good morning. Good to see you. Tex-Mex Biomex, my man. Good morning to you, bro. Glad you got a membership. Big Don. This is some price action, man. Bullshoot. Big Don, Cherry Tom, Cheng Tom. I said Lee Ramsey, lurker. Karsten, lurker. No trade here, guys. Still waiting. EduTech HYD, lurker. Destination Dreamers, lurker. Thanks for the pullback levels on the alts. Hit very close to all of them last night after longing the way up. Beautiful, bro. Great work. I'm glad they helped. Aran McLean. Are you McLean? Like McLovin, but clean? This is some bullshit. This is kind of painful, guys. Synthetic, good morning. I'm glad you got a Synthetic got a membership too. Darius, good morning. Nova, lurker. Carlos Ramirez. Good morning to you, bro. Chad Baker, lurker. What is this? I can't justify getting long here, guys. I need lower. The only way I can justify getting long here is if we reclaim the range and put in a higher low. That's the only way. Joshua Tekoka, lurker. Joan, good morning. Good to see you. Pranav, lurker. Cry Moonlight, lurker. Gal, lurker. Everything, nothing, lurker. Nico, lurker. Daily profits consistently. Good morning. I like your name, man. Consistency is key. CM, lurker. Hustle Minds, lurker. Ismail, lurker. Alexander, great name, but lurker. Ernie, lurker. Professional expert. Names like that get me, man. Lurker. Scott B. Lurker. Thank you so much, Crypto King, for the 50, man. I appreciate you. Fabio, good morning. Luis, good morning. Let's see some otters in the chat for Crypto King. Crypto King's about to get himself an emoji, man. I think we have room for another emoji. Maybe Crypto King can send us in the Discord, Crypto King. If you send me a picture, I can make it an emoji. I mean, I don't know if the crown is good enough for your generosity, but we can throw some crowns in the chat for you, bro. Thank you. Constantly supporting the gang. God bless you, man. Thank you. John Foster Crypto, good morning, man. Wells Jesse, good morning. Gains for Life, John Foster. Look at all these people, man. I got to catch up with the chat, man. Oh, my God. There's some super chats in there and everything. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Milan, good morning. Synthetic. Wells Jesse, good morning. Looking for the SFP here. We have swept these lows, but there is lows below us that we could be interested in. So I'm just not convinced on the trade right now. Lunar Beach is crypto, my man. My wife and kids. Funding rates are mostly green. Still tempting to go after them. Yeah. LBC, gang. Did Django, good morning. Dylan VA, John Foster, Crypto, Ben Yahya. Amel, good morning. Good morning, crew. It's the gang, man. Victor, welcome. John Foster, Crypto, my man. God bless you, bro. John Foster, Crypto, member of the Otter Gang. Summer sales on right now. Get in. Last chance to lock in $35. The best Discord in all of crypto, man. I don't know. Let the gang tell you. What's going on, Mucking? Good to see you. Roaming Brave. Niels. Milan, good morning to you. Gas Tech, what's up? Good morning to you. Touche, good morning. Milan, Marcus. I'm short from 106,200. Good job, man. Where would you move your stop loss? I just use market structure, man. So if market structure, you're looking above this high here, 105.7. That's it, man. And they could come for you today. Who knows, man? Good entry, though. Depends on your plan before you enter the trade, correct? Damn, Zerker, not a lurker. Good day, man. Good to see you, Ben. Yahya. Good morning, Crypto Birdie. Army Piper in the chat. What's going on, bro? Good to see you. I see you got 310,000 subscribers. Inside joke, guys. Oh, man. OG Blockchain Crypto Gains. Carlos Ramirez. Lurker. Gang. Let's go, Blinksy. Crypto Ben. Huddle. Crypto Mamba. What's going on, Brandon? Good morning. Thank you for the good morning. Really painful stall out here, guys. So clearly a trap where, the SFP, people are getting long in here, and now this looks like continuation down, in my opinion. So we'll see. I'm still looking for some sort of chop, flip, and go. But yeah, this is dog shit. I swore because of how bad it is. Okay, that's one today. I get 2 swears a day. Wick's wife, Fine 89. Good to see you in the chat. What's going on, wifey? Good to see you, Steve Hickey, J Violet. G-Man, good morning to you. Thank you for being here. French Toaster, the bravest toaster in all of crypto. Thank you for being here, French Toaster, my man. God bless Albino Rhino. Bitcoin is on the slow train right now. We got Matta, Lurker, Saga, Lurker. Saga. Sorry, I couldn't help it. Too much Sonic in my day. Hi Cham, Lurker. Brian S, Lurker. Leonard, Lurker. Immigrant Diaries, Lurker. RDX. Actually, you said good morning. Good morning, Immigrant Diaries. RDX Lurker. David Alvarez, Lurker. T-Rex Gaming, Lurker. And Rishabha John, Lurker. Good morning, Wayne C. What kind of sandwich has your wife packed you today? Good to see you, man. How you doing? Hassoon Anonymous. Good morning to you, John Foster Crypto. Metaplanet's ripping good. Sitting on an order block. Sitting on an order block. Up and down on home burn. Oh. This is why I trade, guys. I can't sing. Touching my trend line. Oh, talk to me, Django. Touching my trend line. Love it. Curvis, good morning. Good afternoon. Londoner. Good to see you, man. Looks so strange when it hangs with that much volume. Well, the volume was in that candle, right? So it did push down. Now it's just flat. So lower. We said lower, it went lower, okay? This was kind of the scam jam here. You got chop, scam jam, liquidity grab, and then you got rollover. This is absolute the dog's breakfast of price action, okay? They're not making it easy for us lately, friends. We got a complex drunken head and shoulders. Who said that? Complex drunken head and shoulders. I love it. Sounds like something some people trade. We won't go down that road. Sammy, good morning to you. Wody, good morning. Richie Roofs, good morning, bro. Good to see you. HRJ, what's going on, brother? Good to see you. How can one trust this price action? No, it's not. Yeah. When it behaves like this, you wait. Like, that is it. That is it. Do the Donald Trump and be like, I will not trade. Hands up. Hands up. Matthew, oh, good morning. Philly Skills, French Toaster. Jeff Carlson, good morning to you, bro. Good to see you. OG Blockchain, my man. What's going on? Good to see you, Cash Oak. Good morning, beautiful people. I'm gonna try and say your name. All right. What? This isn't even English, bro. Cool name though. HFG Grandmaster 8 Boyce. Thought some liquidity would be above 100K. So we did do a little bit of a top down when we started the stream if you do want to rewind. But liquidity mostly resides below us right now. We do have that sweep of the highs and shorts building up right now. But for me, I'm more interested in sweeping the leverage longs in our range here. So for range bound, I'm looking for this in here. I like all these guys. These guys look delicious, don't you think? All in here. I zoom out for you guys. All up in it, right? All up in this liquidity zone. Ooh, my God. Come and get it. But, hey ho. Hey ho, we don't make the rules, man. Little pushback here. Money is coming up. VWAP's coming up. 12-minute coming out. Money flow. Are we going to get some BS sweep again? Because if we do, this is going to be... I'm going to be a little bit upset with the price action. Not going to lie. This looks good. This I really like on the hourly right here. I really like this. This higher lows all the way through. Bing, 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 bing. This looks yummy. Looks like it could push, but clearly rolling over as we speak. So it's got a job to do. The job is to sweep these lows and reclaim the range. Sweep the lows, reclaim the range, and go. Otherwise, this is rolling over. We have levels below us that we're prepared for as well, okay? Let me turn on my support and resistance levels here. We're currently tapping one right now. Greg, no whack, what's going on? Mike, what's going on, bro? Good to see you. What are the likes looking like today? We got, all right, 450 people in here and 118 likes. That's not bad at all, actually. Thanks, guys, for slapping up those like buttons. We're here live every Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. So thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel. I do appreciate you guys smacking up that like button, It really does help the channel. It's pretty lame that I do have to ask for it. Like I feel like an absolute turd. Hey guys, I'm 35 years old. Do you want to tap the like button for me, please? Right? And if you are new here, welcome. Thank you for being here. We'd love for you to subscribe. We do have a once in a lifetime opportunity. No. We do have a sale on right now. Typically this is $50. This is the last time I will ever do $35. It is way too much of a deal. Okay, we give trade setups, 5 traders, signals. If you cannot make $35 in our Discord, we have failed. Absolutely. We do amazing live streams. We do lessons. We do teaching. We do everything. We have an amazing community. This is the last time that you have the opportunity to get in on the Discord, okay, at $35. It's going back up to $50 at the end of this week, so if you do have to wait, I understand, but it's not going back to this price, just so you understand. The Discord is incredible. We have a video for you guys. Come and watch the video. Go over to the membership tab. Watch the dang video, and then sign up over here at Become a Member, okay? This is a great investment, in my opinion. If I was new and trading, I would pay for this. Just on the lessons alone, I would come in and I'd pay my $35, even if I was just learning, and I go into the family live streams chat and I'd watch every one of these videos because these are catered lessons to everybody, constant teaching, constant lessons, and then you get 5 traders helping you. I mean, you can't beat it. You just simply can't. So if you do want to join the gang, come over. Don't be a douche canoe. Be kind and say good morning. Okay? You go into our family chat and look at the morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Everybody's saying good morning. Okay? That's it. The family says good morning. Come over, be part of the gang. We'd love to have you, okay? And that's the shill. What's going on, Aikido? Good morning, HFG, my man. We need a lurker emoji. We do. Oh, man. You guys putting me to work. I'll make a lurker emoji. That is a great idea, Wix Wife 589. Wifey, are you guys coming? I heard that you guys might not be coming to a Bitcoin conference. That kind of upsets me. I was going to give you like 5 free throws in the midget booth. I would have loved to meet you guys. You guys are top notch. Mr. Mike, Greg Nowak, good morning. Quick Smoker, Synthetic, Django, Nick, Joan, HFG. Okay. Let's go, Army Pipers in the chat. We better behave ourselves. We better behave ourselves. Good morning, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for being here. God bless you guys. I'm taking a leap of faith, AlexOCrypto, about to leave my current job and become a full-time trader. Joe's song, that is, it's scary, man. I mean, when I did it, I'm a carpenter, so I make like $100,000 to $110,000 a year. I make like $58 with full benefits, right? An hour as a carpenter. And I left that job to trade. Okay? Just saying. It's scary. But if you have back tested results, and I would say 6 months of profitable trading at a level of income to replace your own, then give her, man. Give her, man. Be aware there will be down months. That's one thing that kind of surprised me, is there will be months where you're like, should have gone to work. Should have gone to work. But that's part of the journey as well, man, is navigating all of that. I've been full-time for almost 2 years now, and it's the scariest and best decision I ever made. And that was before, so everybody knows, that was a year before we had a paid Discord, a year before I had subs. This is before all of that stuff, okay? We became a trader first. Then we started selling shit. Okay? That's the key here, is we're traders helping traders. And it'll always be like that because that's how it was birthed. Thank you so much, Jack Kitley, for the 35 ZAR, man. God bless you, bro. Thank you so much for the donation. Very grateful for your super chat, man. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day, Jack. Gura, good evening from the Philippines. Filipino people are probably the nicest people on the planet, man. Love Filipino people. Don't you guys agree? Like, this isn't racist. This is a compliment to the type of people. In Toronto, there's tons of Filipino nannies. Okay, there's tons of them that take care of people's kids, right? As a job, live-in nannies, Filipino people. There's no other race that you would prefer to take care of your child. Like, I'm a father now. Filipino people are some of the nicest, kindest people I've ever met in my life, man. God bless them. It's so beautiful. But hello from the Philippines. Mr. Mime, Gains for Life, Isaac, good morning, Franco, Crypto Sammy. There is a free Discord as well, yeah. Neo Dog. Louis, good morning. Miles, Piper. Going on, man? What's going on, man? Ali G. Wick's wife. Watch out. We all better be discipline is missing as an option on the poll. Yeah, well, you could say other, right? So discipline. Boys Crypto JB JRMO. It's in the game. Thank you for joining the Discord, bro. Good to see you. Mickey, Wally, Dylan. And Dylan. Good afternoon from the UK, mate. All right, still chopping about here, guys. I'm watching price. I like to see the bounce, but it doesn't mean tuna sweet corn salad. Get out of here, wait and see. Get that tuna out of here, man. Nasty. Nasty, man. So now we're looking for a revisit of previous lows. Liquidity hasn't been swept. Wait and see. You nasty, bro. You filth. You absolute filthy. That's funny, man. Tuna. You didn't know I used to like tuna, and then I ate too much tuna, and now I absolutely can't stand it. Can't even smell it. Makes me gag. Andrew Cameron, Cash Out, good morning. Wick 589. Once upon a midnight otter, I gifted all the bit I bought her. Now the holds, they tread the water. Now the price is on the flow. 'Tis some crypto shenanigans. Simply got a DCA mo. Simply this, nothing mo. Love it. I probably butchered that Wick 589. The thing is, this is actually the chat font is actually quite small. Patience make you good entries and a dope trade. That's the one, man. I'm currently sure what would be a good target. I'm looking for a sweep of the lows, so 104.5, and then you're looking at 103.7 for your next level. We'll see if we get there. Good morning, Timmy. Good to see you, bro. Magic Mike. Took quick 5% on cast and I'm out. Nice, bro. Good work. Good work. Can you show CME, please? Market Cipher was talking about market maker algos being designed to keep the price within 1% and 2% of CME times. So CME is just futures, right? So you're talking futures. Your CME gap's just, there's a CME gap down at 92,000, and then we gapped over the weekend, and then we filled the gap over the weekend. Okay, so the CME is right here, and we're just within that range. Okay, that's probably what you're referring to. I don't pay too much mind to that though, if I'm being honest. Nice push from the SPY. Good call yesterday. Very good call on the retrace and continuation. We'll see what we get today. Bitcoin pretty dismal right now, chopping very slowly and methodically down. For me, I want to see sweep, bounce, reclaim of range and go, or we retest the lows and then we roll over again. Okay. Right now we're in a little bit of a downtrend, so we're prepared for that as well. Thank you everybody for being here, hanging out every morning. MTV, good morning, bro. What are the key announcements for today? There's not a heck of a lot of news. They did do the stablecoin bill has gotten pushed forward, which is a good sign. Lunar Beaches, my man, bro. Good to see you guys. Massey, Wick 589, Magic Mike. Marcus, good morning. The Discord is so worth it. Discord is fire. Randy Hipper, what's going on? Good to see you. This isn't racist in Texas means what I'm saying is about to get racist. Good morning from the Filipinos. That's it, man. God bless you guys, man. Randy Hipper in the chat. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Lurker emoji. That's the one. I like it. R Pink. I like it. Lurker emoji. Oh, damn. You're going to miss the midget tossing wicks? My God. I would have given you like... What if I give you 10 free throws? Will you come then? Of course, Jason. God bless you, man. Discord worth every cent. Yeah, they'll let you know. They'll let you know. They'll let you know how good the Discord is. I mean, join the best crypto gang on YouTube. You won't regret it. Maya. God bless you, Maya. Good morning, Maker. Good morning. Frenchy, LBC, Wayne C. All right. All right, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for the super chat. Wick 589 for karaoke and golf balls in Vegas. God bless you. Thank you so much. Wick 589. I probably will lose some golf balls. So thank you for your donation. And I will butcher the karaoke on purpose for you and probably record it and send it to you, Wick. What's going on, Randy Hipper? Guys, if you're not following Randy Hipper, you guys better go and check yourselves. 21,000 subscribers. Absolutely crushing it, guys. Make sure you go and check out Randy Hipper. Always bringing you the most informative, amazing live streams. Just after this one. 9:45, guys. 9:45.
Hello, everybody. I am here in the middle of Times Square.
She's bringing you the alpha. Go and check out Randy. Be kind. Don't be a douche canoe, as usual. Okay? Tell me this isn't going to be the bottom, guys. Please tell me. Please tell me. Bullish in golfing. Doji bullish in golfing. Double. Tell me this isn't going to be the bottom. Please someone tell me it's not going to be the bottom. Disgusting. I wonder where everyone's nationality is in Discord. I'm British and Italian. You guys let me know. I'm like but I'm Canadian. I'm third generation Canadian. I like maple syrup and polar bears, baby. I live in an igloo. You guys let me know. Where are you guys all from? What is your historical background? Okay, I don't care if you're from wherever. What is your historical background? I love that. You know, you go up to an American or a Canadian. I'm Irish. So good, man. I can tell by your sunburn. Too good, man. Too good. Smells like tuna. Yeah, we won't go there. Good morning, nonstop, Django, West Texas. Good morning, DSV. What's going on, man? Warren G, Angelo. Good morning to you, Mr. Mike. The 40-year cup and handle, silver printed. That's wild. That's cool, man. I don't check out stuff like that. We're on the 3-minute time frame. Did you, Mr. Mike? We're on the 3-minute time frame. Did you see the 40-year cup and handle on silver? That's cool, though, man. That's really cool. I'm from Austria, many generations. I'm German living in South Africa. Cool. I'm Syrian. That's cool. Mexican and Hungarian. That's a cool mix. You like burritos and cia año. I think that's a mum. But living in Germany. Cool. You look at 15-minute market cipher B. Yeah, of course. So 15-minute market cipher B, we got a inverse head and shoulders. Now, this is more like a Jesus take the wheel. So trying to push up here, view up, trying to cross over, very overextended to the downside. Money hasn't crossed over into the green, so this could be a little bit of an area where we are looking for a potential bounce. Okay, liquidity in the lows, right? All I want to see is a higher low if we're going to take it from here. The only time I will buy this is if we sufficiently sweep the liquidity in these lows here. If we don't do that, then I'm definitely looking for a higher low if I'm going to justify taking a long here. Otherwise, I'm looking for a continuation short here and to roll over. Okay? We had like an up-only day yesterday, which leads me to believe that we have a little bit of retracement to do. Okay? So 15 minutes suggesting that we could push up, but look at our stochastics here. Starting to bottom out, however, still got work to do, right? Lower low, higher low, trying to push. So for now, patience, I think, is the key. Just because this was scammy, this was scammy, this was scammy. Okay, what do I mean by scammy? Just very choppy, ugly. Like, this is not something you like to trade. This is just a block of crap. And then you push up one way, there's no structure to the trading. Therefore, I don't put on risk in these environments, right? Now that we're in a key level, if we get a higher low and continuation, yes. If we sweep the low and bounce, yes. Okay. If we come up to the high and continue down, we get some sort of bearish print in here, yes. Okay. So just setting up ourselves for success. I actually do like this one little mini. Probably not. We'll see. We don't want to split hairs in an environment here where they're looking to wreck everyone, right? We have a push up, a very slow and methodical, painful chop up. Then we have a pathetic top, in my opinion, a mitigation of the low, a rollover. So this should, in theory, come here. If we do push, and we look for a retest and continuation out. We are balancing right now on the value area high, okay, of the range. So is it a breakout, retest, continuation? That's also on the table, okay? So just being cautious right now. Very slow price action. The volume came down for the sweep and has since depleted, okay? So we wait. We wait. Hassan, good morning. Syrian, South African, Canadian, English, Amish. Awesome. Texas. I'm Texas-ish. Earthling, Irish, Japanese, Italiano, Colombian, Italian, Spanish, German descent. Let's go. I'm Irish, French Indian. Welcome to Australia, mate. Surely an Englishman from New York here. East German, Russian, Romanian, living in Germany, Canadian English, South African, Indian, Syrian, Mexican, Austria. Austria, that's cool. Colombian. Buongiorno to the Italianos. Belgian. When you say you're Belgian, how often, Dylan, does people ask you, how's the chocolate? Oh, man. Belarusian, Greek, living in Greece. I've been to Greece. Greece is beautiful. Nothing like a good old hierro. Hierro. You got to roll the R. My wife can't roll her R's. It's pretty funny. Ukrainian and Viking. I love it. Polish pierogi. I love pierogies, by the way. Did you know that you can get dessert pierogies? Anybody who, pierogies are the best, man. Hungarian. That's cool. Viking is not a race, it's an occupation. I'm an Indian Jew living in a tent in Mongolia. What? That sounds like it's like a Borat movie. I am an Indian Jew living in a tent in Mongolia. That's so cool, man. I went there. Belgium. Okay. Australian. You guys are you will never get this. South African, Dutch, and British. That's cool, man. Dutchy. Where's the clogs in the chat? Let's see the clogs in the chat for all the Dutch people. Nicaragua, that's really cool. Australia, living in Panama. That's really cool. How is Panama, Anonymous? What's your thoughts on New York Open? So it's 9 o'clock. We're just getting our hourly. We'll do a top-down analysis. Thank you, everybody, for being here. When does the sale run out? So the sale is done on Friday. I will not extend this sale. I will not extend this sale. I will get 100. I'm going to Vegas, okay? I'm going to Vegas on Saturday, Sunday, whatever. I'm going to Vegas. I will not extend this sale, okay? This is literally the last time it's ever going to be this price, okay? The Discord ends on Friday. An amazing Discord. This is $100, $150 Discord. I do not need to charge that to anybody. We have 5 amazing traders. You get setups, live streams all week long. You get myself teaching lessons, catered charts, everything you could desire from a trading group is here. I pay attention. I answer your questions. It's incredible. Live streams, setups, morning TA, always top-down analysis, trade ideas, trade setups, all the altcoins we went over yesterday, pullback levels for everybody. Just an amazing, amazing space to hang out and make money together. All right, this Discord is an edge, okay? If you take full advantage of this Discord, you can change your life. I guarantee it, okay? It's never financial advice, but hell yeah, do we kick ass take names, okay? That's all I got to say. That's all I got to say. So top of the hour. Top of the hour. I'm from Bangladesh. Welcome. I love to see, yeah. So top of the hour, what do we got here? Hourly candle printing, right? So we always got to check this at 9 o'clock generally to give us a flattening out. So really indecision, not sure where it's going to go. This, to me, we want to see, what we want to see is that one move to the upside. Okay, we're not getting it yet. We're not getting it yet. It's trying to creep up right now. That's fine. Okay, our half hour, same thing here. Trying to creep up, same deal. Okay, not getting it yet. So patience will prevail here. We have swept into the lows. We haven't swept the lows, in my opinion. Okay, we've swept this low in here, but we haven't come back for the liquidity within this area here. We have a vector candle, okay, in here that we should look to recover. Doesn't mean we're necessarily going to, but that would be the bias right now. We have switched structure on, a half-hour time frame here after mitigating this low. We have switched structure looking for continuation down. However, if we're going to get short, we want to get short strategically, right? So we're looking for a retest of previous lows, continuation down. We're looking for the SFP and the bounce continuation only off of confirmation of the higher low or the reclaim of the range. Can we get long? We are currently trading below VWAP. Okay. And we are looking for price to continue down. A little bit overextended. As we get into this region here, our standard deviation 2.5, which is down in here. Okay. We can potentially look for it to return back up. We have been getting rejected by our standard deviation 1 up here. So we'll see if that continues to be resistance throughout our day. Up only, down only, chop sideways. Very poor, piss poor price action. Nothing I really do not like trading unless I'm starting to get some correct movements. Okay, so right now, flagging out, looks like continuation down in my opinion. Do we take the trade here? Not yet. Okay, we wait and we be patient. Okay, we got half an hour, 25 minutes now until market opens. Our bias for the day, our 4, 3, or 2, or 1 are suggesting a cool off. A 4 hour is double topping with 2 confirmed red dots with VWAP resetting. 3 hours, very much the same deal here. Rolling over, right? We got anchor, trigger wave. Anchor, trigger wave typically brings this down. Doesn't mean it has to come all the way down, but anchor, trigger wave. And we can look for a third one, and maybe that's the crusher right here. The altcoins look a lot better than Bitcoin right now. The altcoins, in my opinion, we had the trigger wave last night. We had that push up. We had equal highs on Ethereum. So we're looking for retracement continuation. How low does this retracement come? We wait. We wait till we have confirmation of structure change. Then we can justify jumping on trend and getting long. Not until then. Okay? Look at this. Bitcoin rolling over. Retest to previous lows and rolling over. So we wait. Let price action come to us. No trade yesterday. We took a trade in the afternoon where we got long off of this low. And was it here? No, it was over here. It was right here we got long. However, this thing ran away from us yesterday on the live stream, and then we chopped in here, and then we ended the stream. The one trade you could have taken yesterday would have, in my opinion, the retest of previous lows is what I took. And I got out right here, okay? I was like, oh, man, this could have been a $3,000 trade, okay? I got out right there. The retest continuation on the VWAP candle close would have been a nice trade as well. Okay, that would have been a nice VWAP trade right in here. I didn't take it, okay? Sometimes you don't catch them all. But yesterday was a nice positive day for me, considering I haven't had a very positive Monday trading experience in the last month or so. So for me, getting away with a win on a Monday it's a confidence booster. I did not overtrade yesterday. I took the win and I spent the whole day with my family, which was really nice. We did grocery shopping. We did all the things you need to do, right? Which is always important, right? Family comes first. This is why we trade. We want a life of freedom. If you want to create a life of freedom, you got to make time for that life of freedom. Meaning make money so that money can buy you time. Time is the most precious thing you have. And hopefully I'll teach you how I do it. You come over to the Discord, I'll teach you how I do it. Belgium, chocolate. Bitcoin reaching 500,000 by 2028. I might not be here if that happens. Just saying, Robert. I might not be here. I might just poof. I'll give you all a refund. Don't worry. I'll give you all a refund. How much money do you need to quit? You guys have all hopefully done this. How much money do you need to have? Put a number in the chat. do you need to quit? Let me know. It's hot. It's really hot. Panama's hot. Okay. It's hot as Darwin, yeah. Magic Mike, I wish I had time. I totally would join. That's okay, man. There'll be time. We'll help you create time, bro. No news drivers equals snooze fest. Yeah, a little bit, Reggie. I agree. Curtis, good morning. That's it, man. I understand, Magic Mike. Dingbat, beautiful double bottom yesterday. Croatian, let's go. Shout out to the Croatian sensation in the chat, Miles. It's probably the most expensive place in Latin America too, but they have great banks for business/tax. Good surf. Love a good surf, man. Niels, 4,000 per month. Costa Rica is beautiful, yeah. All otters use market cipher. Not all of them. No, not all of them. 160 million. Oh, wow. $5, 3 mil, 4 mil, 100K, 150. Let's say 500K to be debt free. 11 million, Drew. 50. 1.7. 10 mil, 10 mil, 100K, 300K, 2 mil. So how much do you need to make a month, right? This is how you should do it, right? So you should think about it. So let's say you got $2 million, and then you make that, you earn 5% of that per year, right? 2 million at 5%, you're earning $100,000 a year. If you're earning 5% on your money. Before taxes, right? That's pretty good money, no? 2 million, 5% a year. That's kind of the threshold, F-bomb. I think $16,000 monthly. I mean, that'd be nice, wouldn't it? How much would you need, Alex? I want to retire my family, man. So I'm gonna push it as hard as I can. My family deserves it. They've all worked hard. My number right now is like I'd like to get to 3 mil right now. But like by the time I'm 50, I think 50-50, man. 50-50. 50 mil. I think that's the one. Smash the likes. 10 mil. Bears getting wrecked this week. Absolutely. I mean, I like the game too, man. Like, I mean, it's once you get past 100K, it gets easier. I wouldn't say the 100K is the hardest. I'd say the discipline that gets you the 100K is harder. That's because there's a boy, there's a child in all of us that wants to spend. There's a boy and a child who wants that shiny. Me and my wife are effing cheap, okay? Are effing cheap for the most part. We will buy good things and take care of them. That's the kind of people we are. But I had, when we lived in Scotland, they had maybe 30 grand to my name. I wasn't working construction. I was making sushi down the road. I was actually working at a sushi place just for a little part-time gig because it was right beside the house. I was making sushi. And, you know, we were very happy. I was kind of on a life discovery thing. We traveled the world and explored the world for 3 years, me and my wife, before we settled down, started the business, all that stuff. But I'm not allergic to hard work, man. I worked construction my whole life, so. I'm Scottish. Here did you live? Yeah, man. I lived in Morningside, Edinburgh. I lived in Morningside, Edinburgh, in a nice flat, 2-bedroom flat. In Morningside. Right near the meadows, man. Beautiful. Beautiful. Made 150K, then lost it all. That sucks, man. Say it loud. Effing cheap, yeah. Trading isn't working. I think it is. Nice bull div here, guys. First sweep's done. Here's our first sweep with bull divs. 9:15. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out. God bless every single one of you guys. We got 540 people in here. 215 likes today, guys. You guys have crushed it. I don't even have to ask you to like. If you are new here, welcome. Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Live trading every single day. Showing you the trades, taking the trades with you. Kicking ass, taking names. Very grateful for everyone who's here, hanging out. Hopefully we can find something today. No trade yesterday. Took 7 trades last week. I mean, we've taken the last, I would say, 3-4 months. We have, you know, we're like every month we're taking over 20 trades, and we probably have 1 or 2 losses a week. Right? So we're generally on the live, we're generally making nice trades for everybody. So nice pushback here. I like this. Considering a long here, guys. Considering. Need to push back and reclaim range here. Considering a long. So just be back up into to generally here if we SFP. Hanging man, 3-minute. If we engulf this hanging man, I'm going to get long. Possible quick stab bull div here, money coming up. Got 12 minutes till market opens. NASDAQ looks okay. I guess the SPY, I would assume it'd be pretty flat. Yeah. Minute and a half on this candle. I don't like the inward curve and the money flow crossover right now on market cipher, but we have an anchor wave down here, which could push us back up on the 15-minute here. Yeah, a little bit overextended to the downside here on market cipher. Could possibly push back. A little bit of confluence here. I'd like to see this engulf. Coming into market open 9:20. I'm almost out of coffee too. This is dangerous. I'm gonna get long here. I'm long. Kind of front running a little bit, but I'm long. Nice push. Come on, Bitcoin. I like these bull divs. I like the 15. I like the 24. Come on. First TP right here. Taking a lot of it off. I'm going to take 75% off here and let it run. A little bit risky down low here. TP1 hit. Stop loss to entry, guys. GG's. Good trade. See if we do want to continue pushing up here. Nice trade, everybody. Congrats if you took it. Easy peasy. That's how I like it, man. Nice and easy. I've been working on that one a little bit here with the hanging man candle print engulfing. So it's very similar to like a doji. Okay. Easy trade. Yes, I did front run this engulfing, but I front ran it once it got above the wick here, guys. And I knew there was only like 30 seconds left on the candle or 20 seconds left on this candle, so it was easy to front run that. Hopefully that makes sense. Right, when your counter over here, and you know it's a 3-minute candle, so we got a minute and a half left on this candle. You still got half of this candle left, right? But when there's 20, 30 seconds on it and it's starting to do what you want it to do, you can, if you make the decision, front run that candle for the print. Can be risky, a little bit more risky, but allows you to get in a little bit more safer than up here. Okay, and then you take your money and you run. Okay. Stop loss that entry now. We're just chilling. Quick, easy scalp. That's all the intention was right there. Quick, easy scalp. I like the bull divs. We swept the first low, so we don't have to sweep this one here. Right? We swept this one here. We've done a job. We've swept some liquidity, right? So a little bounce, continuation trade, right? Take profits early. On to the next one, right? Probably going to get stopped out right now. Quick $70. Good way to start the day. No complaints, easy trade. Or it could run all the way to the moon, right? We still got 20 grand left in the trade. That's cool, man. We're in. Could be the low, couldn't. Easy trade, easy risk management. If it comes, the stop loss always is here, right? That's tight. The quick scalp. Stopped out, okay? One down. See if it wants to continue here. On to the next one. The trader I watch the most, Matt, he talks about base hits, right? That's a base hit for me. It's very easy. Singles and doubles, baby. Singles and doubles. Welcome, Umair. Hi from India. Welcome from India. Nice to meet you from India. Get coffee and twinkle, bro. Market finna opa. Yeah, I hear you. I gotta have a tinkle. I agree. Thank you everybody for being here. I gotta tinkle. You're absolutely right. This thing's gonna go to the moon now too. Coffee, tinkle, market open. Let's go, baby. Gang, gang, gang.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pair full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though.
Right.
Pocket fat when the chips low.
Got the black coffee.
Crypto, fit the party like a disco.
Stalling out
Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to
You know,
the digital.
typically when you're in a trade and you close it out or you get stopped out, you're looking for it to rip, right? You're looking. You think you're gonna come back and it's gonna be like, right? One more maybe. 3 drives. Oh, give us 3 drives today, baby. Give us 3 drives. I'm ready for some 3 drives, guys. 3 drives, burgers, and fries. Let's go. What's going on, everybody? Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 3 minutes till market opens. Thank you so much for being here, supporting the channel. I didn't wash my hands. RS Miller in the chat. What's going on, bro? Hassan. I like the music. Please, one more beat. Boom, boom, boom. Tinkle and people. That's the one. No poopy. No poopy this time. I normally, I'm regular, man. I get that done before the stream. Crypto surfer to make 4K per month trading. What size trading account? I make between 2 and 5 per week with 100K. So yeah, around there, I guess. I'd say you could do it. Depends on how much you're trading and how many trades you're taking. It's also very market conditions are very. When we had the VIX, that volatility for me, I was making almost 1,000 a day easy. When the volatility was psycho, right? When the VIX was really high, right? When Donald Trump was just tweaking on everyone, right? When we had VIX above 20, when we were up in here, for me, I was making at least $1,500, $2,000 a day. But now that we've slowed down, this is slow, right? Volatility is down. It's not as easy. Price is much more slow. Okay, we're not as volatile. NASDAQ rolling over here, guys. A little bit of a heads up coming into market open here. We got 15 seconds. Market is opening. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Subscribe if you are new. Join the Discord. The beautiful sale, summer sale is only on for this week and this week only. Bitcoin doesn't know which way it wants to go, but that's all right. We're ready. We're ready anyways. Who cares? Let's be prepared, traders. Trying to sweep these lows. Okay, market is open. Ding, ding, ding. Banana phone. We got our beautiful S&P gapping down. Okay, the S&P is gapping down. Down, down, down. Trying to push back. Okay, trying to push back. We'll see how it goes. NASDAQ's getting a bounce. We got bull divs in here. Oh, it looks juicy. Potential long here. Potential long. I would prefer lower. Definitely prefer lower, but we didn't get it yesterday either, did we? We wanted the SFP yesterday and we didn't get it. SPY's bouncing. NASDAQ bouncing. Bitcoin's rolling over. Here comes the SFP possibly. SFP, baby, come on. Just give us a little love tap in here and bounce. Here comes the SFP. Dumping. No trade yet. No trade yet. I'm going to get long. I'm going to get long. 1 second. Still waiting. We're still waiting here. No trade yet. Got to bounce. No bounce yet. If we bounce, I get long. It's got to bounce here. No bounce yet. Still waiting. This could come lower, guys. We don't want to rush this. Okay, pushing back here. This is looking better. We have swept that low. I'd like to see us close above 104,550. Still struggling here. That's a pretty aggressive 3-minute candle. No trade right now. That's a pretty aggressive candle here, guys. NASDAQ's trying to bounce. We're pushed back. All right, we're pushing back. I'm long. I'm long. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. We could be in trouble here. I'm long here. Stop loss is pretty low here. Doesn't look like it's trying to, not pushing back just yet. Nasdaq's pushing back. Dixie rolling over. No. SPY. No. Come on, Bitcoin. Push, baby. Gotta go. Nice push here. Come on, Bitcoin. Push it. Struggling right now. Like we could roll over still. Yeah, not looking good. Damn. Little fake out, man. See if we do push here. Could be taking an L. Come on, Bitcoin. Push it back. Nasdaq got rejected. Yeah. Looks like we might be going lower here, friends. We do have all this liquidity down in here. We don't pop up here. I might cut this quick. That's what you get when you're trying to catch bottoms in the. It's another bad candle. That's another bad candle. See if we push back here. Not looking good though. Probably gonna get stopped out here. Taking losses live. Here we go. At least we're being transparent, right? Really? Come on, no way. I'm gonna go to the moon now. That would be funny. I would laugh. I haven't touched this stop loss. That's $300. I would have to laugh, guys. Stop loss is on this low here. I haven't touched that. That's funny. See if we push. See if we push. We got volume coming in here on this candle, obviously. See if we want to push back, but that's kind of funny. That is kind of funny. I gotta laugh, man. So you're telling me there's a chance? Yeah, I don't think so, man. It doesn't look good. Nasdaq trying to bounce, sweeping the lows here. Still going down. SPY still going down. Dixie. SPY still rolling over. Bitcoin trying to push up right now. This would be kind of funny, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it, guys? I literally, I wish I could say I moved my stop loss, but this is just how it happened. I wish I could say I did it on purpose. I mean, our stop loss is at 196. The low of this candle is 199. $3 difference, guys. $3. If this pushes up, we deserve to laugh, right? We deserve to laugh. Correct? Oh, man. Looking good. Just be patient. Yeah, that's it. That's a retest of the lows, though. NASDAQ trying to push up. SPY trying to push up. This could be our low of the orb if this is the low. I don't know if this is the low, guys. That's a retest of previous lows. Coming back down. They probably are watching the stream now. They're like, this guy ain't getting away with that. This guy's not surviving this. There's no way. Told you, man. They're coming for me. They're coming for me. Roll over here. Again, NASDAQ rolling over again. Getting bought up. Still chilling. Still chilling. Stuck in the middle with you. I was fully prepared to take that L, though. That's okay. SPY struggling here. Big wicks on the NAS. This would be bullish if we can come back and reclaim this kind of 21,300s here. Bitcoin not really showing signs of strength here, though. There's no sign of strength. This just looks like follow through to the downside here. So there we go. Stopped out. Stopped out, everybody. On to the next one. Bitcoin rolling over. Little bit of slippage, $400 loss, okay? On to the next one. I guess we should look for that continuation, right? We know that there's liquidity down in the lows in here. Okay. The continuation's more, sometimes you get long bias. Maybe that's what I'm getting a little bit right now is long bias. I mean, the NAS looks good here. Might re-enter. Re-enter, look for the long back up. Maybe I'm getting long bias now. I'll take a stab long again. If we can reclaim up above here. I need a good candle, man. We need a good candle. Push Bitcoin, come on. Chopping here on the NASDAQ. SPY 2. Possible re-entry, just not yet. Still waiting here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Still waiting. Looking down here right now. Okay. Nice little rollover here. Not looking too hot on the S&P this morning. It looks like NASDAQ's losing its support here. So NASDAQ obviously has all of this to come back for as well. Bitcoin, inverse head and there's your head and shoulders, your complexity, your complex head and shoulders, baby. Good morning, Shamitris. Coming back to those lows, trying to push back here. Go like doji and golfing and get long again. That'd be cool. The short would be revisiting the lows in here. Wick test up to the top here. Orb is set. Maybe we hold orb here now. Hold orb continuation trade possibility. We lose orb, retest continuation down. Looking lower though. No trade. Still waiting. Thank you everybody for being here, hanging out. One win, one small win, one regular loss. Down 300 so far. To me, they're trapping longs right now, so no longs in here. Unless we can get a doji and golfing, something like that. Doesn't look like it wants to hold, though. We're looking lower. We're looking 1035 now. So we could roll over here. No entry for short just yet. I mean, this is just lower high, lower high, lower high. Continuation down. Still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out with the gang. Much love to every single one of you guys. Thank you for being here. We're live trading every single Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Hanging out with you guys. Down we go on NQ. Yep. Bitcoin's pushing. Bitcoin trying to go off of orb here. It's psychological, not the charts. Trust me. Get some money. Alex, after the first 15 minutes, it sets the trend. It's the 60% going down. Just short. Okay. I know the first 15 minutes can be a gong show. I do agree with that. No bounce coming right now. Holding orb. Looks like we might lose orb here. Market cipher looks good on like the very 15, 24 hourly. But very, very, very obvious liquidity grab in here. So how low does it come? We shall see. We shall see. $15 minutes still bleeding out. Battle right here. Nasdaq's rolled over. Order block in here for the Nas. SPY, same deal, okay. Bitcoin looks very similar. Coming down, baby. Coming down. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out. 600 people on the live stream. We'll see if we do get a bounce here. Thank you guys for being here and hanging out. God bless every single one of you guys. If you are new here, welcome. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's my leverage? Well, we used to have a command would tell you the risk. But here it is, my friend. Nice bounce out of here. Pushing back. Nice pushback here. Big pushback for NASDAQ too. Orb is set. Looks like we're pushing up right now. No trade yet. 952. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Good pushback here for Bitcoin. Double doji, bullish engulfing right now. If you are new here, welcome. We have a last chance Discord sale going on right now if you do want to come over and hang out. 5 traders. A live stream today from CVO. That's going to be fire, as usual. CVO is a great trader. Swing trades, bat patterns, all the goods, man. Nice push here for Bitcoin. Pretty much down only, so lots of liquidity in here. No trade for me again yet. We'll see. Maybe we stay a little bit later and trade this thing. We'll see what goes on. Summer sale, baby. Get in while you can. Very nice candle here on the 3-minute. Nice pushback. Nice pushback. No trade yet. I do like this candle here. This is very nice. It's pushed back for the S&P as well. We can go for orb breakout, retest continuation. We can look for a retest back into here. Continuation trade. V-shaped recovery on the table here. No trade yet. Oh, 1 minute here. Nice 5-minute candle. Very big engulfing candle. Continuation here. Take a stab long. See if we can get through orb here. See if we can get through orb. Continuation. See if it pushes. Looking for the retest to get long here. Looking for a retest halfway down the candle. I would prefer a wick test, but they don't have. No. We'd have to go higher here. I'm going to go half a position size here. Looking to add if we come a little bit lower. I'm in half a position size. We're going to come for all this liquidity in here, see if we continue to push here. It could be retest or previous lows continuation down. You are right, Muckin, but I like to buy up here. I like to push on NASDAQ. I like to push on SPY. I like the looks of market cipher on the 12, the 24. They all look like they want to push. We've come down only all the way into here, so we'll see. Only half a position size. I could choose to not add to it as well. Stalling out here. Money's coming in. Yeah, there's a lot pushing up here, so leave up crossover. We'll see. We'll see. Coming back down right now. This will be a wick test if we come into the wick here. 284. Dixie rolling over. Retest of highs. SPY rolling over. NAS rolling over. Not going to add just yet. I don't like to add on the opposite candle, so I won't add on a red candle. I prefer to add on a green candle. That's not a good candle. Damn, Daniel, am I going to swap my Mondays for Tuesdays now or what? What do you guys think? Jeez. Interesting morning. Very painful price action in my opinion. What do you guys think? Good morning, Justice Sub. Good to see you. Super weird movement. Yeah, man. I agree. I agree. Respect for not moving your stop loss. That's how it rolls, man. That's how it rolls. No adding yet. Still waiting here. We'll see if it pops back up. Not looking good. That's enough out of me. My God. I'm gonna send you over to Trades by Matt. You guys can go over there and say hello to Trades by Matt. Throw some otters in the chat. Not seeing it today. Not seeing it today. So be safe out there. Go over to Trades by Matt. It's an amazing scalper. Throw some otters in his chat. God bless you guys, and I'll see you guys in the Discord. I'll do a live today later on, okay? Take care. Much love. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a